Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning and I have been extremely productive this morning and it makes me so happy. It gives me all the happy feels when I've been productive and I feel like I'm getting a lot done. Anybody else? Yes, that's how I feel today. So I just finished making these pumpkin pie crescent rolls, and you guys, they taste like pumpkin cinnamon rolls had a baby with crescent rolls, like croissants. They're like buttery, light pumpkin cinnamon rolls. They're very, very good. I made them extra decadent by putting a little bit of a drizzle with some sprinkles. I just wanted to make them super festive and fall for the real, but I think for breakfast, like for brunch, like we're gonna have them, it would probably be best served without the sprinkles and all that jazz. But how cute would these be for a fall brunch? If you guys are having like an after Thanksgiving where you're still gonna be hosting, you know? This is a good recipe to save for later. By the way, these plates, because I know someone might ask me, they're from Hobby Lobby and I got them last year, but I'm sure they have a very similar variety this year. And if I'm thinking correctly, the last time I checked, they're already doing 50% off their fall. So if you like this, go and grab it. I don't think I can link Hobby Lobby. I think I might be able to link the SKU for you, but Hobby Lobby I don't think they don't do online sales, I don't think. But I could be wrong. I'll try and... I never wear my glasses because I'm really bad at wearing my glasses. But yes, I do have prescription glasses. I am farsighted. No, nearsighted. I always get that wrong. I'm nearsighted. This sweatshirt, I can't wait to be able to wear it and not feel like I'm burning up inside. Because it's way too hot to be wearing this. I just did it for filming purposes. I'm going to take it off in a second, but I love it and I can't wait to be able to wear it. It's this pumpkin spice sweatshirt and it has like that ribbing, which is actually very in for fall, this kind of texture. But you guys know I'm pumpkin spice queen. I love everything pumpkin spice. And speaking of that, I ordered a pumpkin spice creamer today in my grocery order, and I haven't had one like at the house for a while, so I'm excited. But Chris is going to get me some batteries because I'm going to be hanging these battery operated lights that look like candlesticks, and they're going to look like they're floating in the air. So just like I've done floating hats before, I've done floating witch hats before, I've done floating brooms. This year I'm doing the candles floating kind of like on Harry Potter. I was gonna do it down the hallway, which I think I will do next year. I wanna do like a whole Harry Potter theme next year. But this year I wanted to stick with what I have already for Halloween decor, but be creative with it. And that's how, well, pretty much stick to what I already have because I did purchase those candlesticks from Amazon to hang. So I will show you guys what it looks like later. I'm really excited and I hope it turns out how I'm envisioning. I wanted to freshen up my perfume and I thought this was a perfect time to talk to you guys about one of my new favorites for fall. And this is from Dossier, and they are a fragrance company that brings high-end, iconic fragrances to you for a very more affordable price. And how they do that is by not having high markups by like celebrity endorsements or crazy packaging that costs a lot of money for the company. So because they're able to cut costs that way, then you're able to get the fragrance. And it's usually the exact same. Like the ones that I've compared have been the exact same that I've tried. I usually will write the name like right under here in like a permanent marker underneath somewhere what the fragrance is inspired by, because each fragrance is not going to say the high-end fragrance on it. It's going to say the notes. This one says floral marshmallow, but it really is inspired by the Kilian Love Don't Be Shy Eau de Perfume. It has top notes of marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot with middle notes of orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris, and base notes of amber, vanilla, and musk. And all those base notes are my happy place. I love amber, I love vanilla, and I love a little musk in my fall and winter fragrances. And this smells like a campfire, like a s'mores is baking on a campfire, but a really beautiful woman is wearing a sweet smelling fragrance next to you as well. Like a combination of the things. I don't know if that makes sense. But you really can smell the marshmallow and the sweet notes to it that make it really fun and flirty and girly,
but it does have a nice base, like strong warmth to it and more womanly. So it's not overly youthful. I'm going to spray some on me, but I really like it. Okay, I know I'm talking your ear off about this, but one more thing that I think is really important to mention is that there are no risks involved with Dossier. They give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can try out the fragrance, and if it doesn't work with your body composition or you just don't like the fragrance, you can return it, no questions asked, risk-free. So I think that's pretty awesome. But the thing that I think is even more awesome than that, they actually donate any perfumes that are returned. They donate them to shelters. So I just think that's amazing. Plus, they are eco-friendly, vegan, and cruelty-free. So, can't beat that. And US based in New York City. So, I'm going to continue to support this company, and that's why I'm sharing them here on my channel. Because I will tell you guys right now, I get emails every single day from companies. And I'm not just saying that to brag. I'm saying that I really do only work with companies that I have personally used the products and I really like them and I really use them. And I continue to talk about Dossier for that reason. I really do use these fragrances. Chris does too, because there's some men's fragrance. And I think it's a really good product that you might like to try. So again, I'll leave it linked down below for you, and let's get into the rest of the vlog.
So we're having burgers that Chris grilled on brioche buns and some potato salad.
Celebrating that awesome Cardinals comeback victory.
Oh, finally.
Why am I not surprised? I just had to film this because I remember when I was paying under $10 for Hulu. And now it just keeps going up and up. Anyways, I wanted to give you a quick overview of what the room is looking like. Getting very extra spooky up in here.
Made pizza bread with this bread, sourdough bread. Sorry, the fan's on right now. Sourdough bread. Fan's on because I got one little piece a little burnt on the broil setting. Anyways, I use this from the Wild Grain. Yeah. You guys know those days when you drive into work and you already know that it's going to be a long day? That's how today feels. So, I just stuck my entire finger into my Starbucks cup. Okay, I need to turn this around. Okay. Pumpkin cold brew. Cold foam cold brew, you know what I'm talking about. So good. Can't believe I slept on this last season. It's my new favorite. And yes, I'm wearing Chris calls this my judge outfit. Not gonna go there. I love this dress and it's very fashion forward, and a lot of women that come into the office like it too. So I keep wearing it because I don't care if he calls it a judge outfit. I think it's kind of funny. But yeah, it's my bloated dress and it comes in other colors than black. I think it comes in green, yellow, something else. I don't know. And it also might be, I need to check on this right now. Because it's a spring summer item, so it might be on sale now if it's even available. But I call this my bloated dress because it gives me like lots of room in the stomach area while also not making it look like a tent and unflattering, you know what I mean? Because it's gonna be that time of the month. Okay, I need to get into work. I really do. Oh, I'm also wearing my Fuji, my fake Gucci headband. I love these. They're from Amazon. All right, into work I go. Having chicken Caesar salad for dinner tonight. Balance, because yesterday we had some very delicious, amazing pizza bread. Definitely try that. Anyways, this is what it looked like before I mixed it all together. But about to grub.
So I totally forgot to vlog this morning, but I liked my little clips in my hair today. My hair's probably kind of a little big or frizzy because it's raining today, which I'm always so happy.
Happy Friday. I'm about to go get my nails done. I absolutely loved these nails though. It was that chrome kind of pearlescent polish. My nails are way too long right now. I cannot wait to chop these down. I'm gonna do something Halloween. I think I'm just gonna do like black tips and then one of my nails be like a spider web or some kind of accenting Halloween theme. And then, I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this, but some of you care, I feel like. And then next time in like 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, right before we go, I don't know if I told you guys, we're going back to California in October for kind of like a little project thing I'm doing, but then also we decided to go to Disney. What else is new, right? We're so predictable, but who cares? We love it and we have so much fun doing it. So we're gonna be going in October and I'm gonna do something really spooky and fun then, but this time I wanted to keep it pretty tame. All right, I will show you what they look like after.
All right, here are my nails. I feel like he should have put like a little black string coming down from the nail there so that looks like a spider more, but other than that, I think they're so fun and something different for sure. What do you guys think? I love the black French tips and then my little spooky webs. And let me show you this side too. Same thing pretty much. Oops, I got a hair or something on there. Same thing on this side pretty much, just a little different. My spider I'm dying over. They're so funny. A big thank you to It Cosmetics for sending over some amazing skincare. I love It Cosmetics skincare. I pretty much love everything from them because I love their CC cream, I love their mascaras, and I really love Confidence in a Cream. Well, now apparently it is clean and vegan, and they have Confidence in an Eye Cream, which this helps dark circles and dryness under the eyes. It addresses signs of aging, of course, too, and it has like a little bit of a pink coloring to it. So it's actually really pretty under makeup. Confidence in a Cream I've used many times. I think I've gone through 2 bottles of this. So I also just realized it says now supercharged, and it says 2 times more anti-aging armor. Baby, you can't come with me. She already knows I'm leaving. Sorry for the whining, but I just wanted to share this really quick because a couple of you asked me what I think about this bag pretty much. Do I like it? Am I gonna return it? Do I wanna keep it? Holly, seriously? She's so smart. I love it. And I don't use the black strap at all. I love this colorful one because I've been wearing a lot of, shirts with colors that match it, and on the weekend at least. Good morning. I am fresh-faced for Karina, KB Beauty AZ. I am redoing my microblading. She did mine, I think it was maybe 2 years ago, maybe 3. Oh my gosh, I think it was 3. Wow, it's been a while. So, hey, you can still kind of see, and I have some powder makeup on top of my face right now, so I do still have an outline of what we did before, but I'm pretty much doing a full new brow. And definitely not nervous about her abilities. I know it's gonna look so good. I'm nervous about the pain, but she numbs it for a while and she is super meticulous. She like measures everything. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna do like some stories, Instagram stories, so I'll have to insert that here so they'll be like the different direction, but I'm sure you won't mind too much. Okay, I gotta get in. It's time for my appointment. You guys, I am in love with the brows. Look at how good they look. So natural. You can see all the little brush strokes. She did microblading and shading, and I'm totally in love. I was telling Karina just now, it's like when you think your nails aren't that bad when you first, like, you're gonna go get your nails and you're like, they're not that bad even though you let them go too long, or your hair, and then you get the fresh set and you're like, they were bad. Yeah, that's how I feel about my brows right now. So I got this really cool fake brain from Michaels, and it was 50% off, and I just thought it was so cool, especially for someone that does neutral decor, but you still want like kind of creepy Halloween stuff. I have it here in our cabinet. It's kind of dark in this room because it's later in the evening, but I wanted to show you guys, I changed this up a little bit for Halloween and fall because I have the little love potion bottle and this that says "Till Death Do Us Part." I got those from Michaels
either last year or the year prior to that. And this pumpkin, I know they have something similar at Home Goods and TJ Maxx now.
I got Mama B and Brian. Woo woo. And we're having some Coda Grill. Having a lunch date, family lunch date.
So I am almost done with the Halloween decorations. My favorite part is the piano area, and I'm gonna film it much better for you guys so you get the full effect. But I love the floating candles and the floating witch hats in the front. Just a little sneak peek. I'll have the full video very soon up here on my channel.